But in this business, if you're not focused, it can be the difference of you living on a yacht or versus you living on the streets. That's the difference with trading compared to other professions. TTCF. Yeah, it's a good setup. Ideally, go sideways maybe a bit more. But yeah, it looks like a decent setup. Okay, I just got stopped out of my ad on Tilray. Just reclaiming VWAP again. And looks like I got stopped out of my EMPH. Oh well. Oh my god, no! MSTR! This is what happens to parabolic shorts, guys. And if you study, like I said, spend at least a few hundred hours studying, you know, the US stocks going back decades, you will see that this is a very good setup. Big moves up, you're usually followed by big moves down. And if you can create a setup around that, well, what can I say? You can buy anything you want. Having said that, I'm still long MSTR. I guess I'll have to trail it with the 10-day now. What? Okay. Riot 2, Marat 2, okay. I'm doing it for educational purposes only. Looks like this laser is... Well, it didn't gap up. If it had gapped up, I would have shorted the shit out of MSTR. Instead, it gapped down like 10% or so, almost. But yeah, look at this thing. Opening range lows. 1 minute chart. You have a well-defined risk. And you know, this thing could easily go down to 800 bucks today. It looks like it's doing that. I hate my life. I'm just gonna play Hearts of Iron 4. I'm gonna be a professional gamer from now on. Trading is such a pain in the ass. It's such a mindfuck most of the time. Like, most people can't handle it. That's why it's so important to have specific setups. And even then it's like constantly a mindfuck. Now imagine being, you know, wasting your time watching like CNBC and stuff. It's like a double mindfuck. That's why I just, you know, try to cut out all distractions and just focus on what's going on in front of me. Focus is so important in this business. Well, it's focus important in any business, obviously, but in this business, if you're not focused, it can be the difference of you living on a yacht or versus you living on the streets. That's the difference with trading compared to other professions. Man, there's a lot of things starting to fade. Oh boy. And for me, the most worrying thing is that Tesla is starting to break down. That's just not a good thing, man. That's just not a good thing. Like I've said it before, I think Tesla is a good barometer for the speculation money. I don't know, like it's too early to tell, you know, anything. It's just, you know, one day, but you know, I mean, you know, there's a lot of things going parabolic and just so many stocks, especially like small and micro caps, are just up thousands, like not hundreds, but literally thousands of percent over the past since we had the mass breakouts early November. And you know, I don't know, it's just a little bit scary. When Wall Street Bets gets excited, that's when I get scared. It's an alternative Buffett quote. It could be an alternative Buffett quote, but I know what, and I understand what he means. Like, oh, plug. Like plug is something I could actually switch short. If this thing fails the flag, it's gonna go down to $40. The hyper growth on the CMPH looks like it's over for now. This thing had triple digit, guys. Look at this thing. Triple digit EPS and earnings growth. This is what you should be looking for. These are the stocks that can make very big moves. If you just focus on one type of stocks, just focus on the stocks that have triple digit earnings and or revenue. Look at the growth in high double digit, mid-high double digit revenue growth, and you know, over 1,000% in EPS growth. Here it was 900%. Look at the move it made. Look at the moves. You know, you just look for setups on these types of stocks. You have a big edge. Or you can just focus on stocks with top momentum. Or you can do a combination. Depends on how you're wired, what you want to, you know, if you want to. If you have a hard time just trading pure momentum, also want fundamentals on your side, that's a great way of doing it. If it helps you add conviction. Oh, Tesla, yes! Finally, I nailed it, man. I've tried this thing. I've been trying to long and short this thing for like 3 weeks now. I don't know how many. I tried it on the long side like twice and the short side like 3 times. Oh, plug going straight down. Oh, please bounce. I want to, like, I could very, if it bounces, if it can bounce and fail at VWAP, I'm gonna short the shit out of this thing. Space is failing. Oh, I don't like what's happening here. I don't like this. I don't like this price action at all. There's so many warning lights right now, and if you can't identify the warning signs right now, it's just, you have work to do. You have a lot of work to do. I'm just getting rid of stuff. Baidu, it's kind of extended. This thing actually was a potential short setup. I didn't even pay attention to it. I'm getting rid of it. I just don't like it. What's going on? Again, I'm playing defense first. Getting rid of margin. That's the number one thing if you trade on margin. Getting rid of the margin is the number one thing you should do when things are not acting right. Yeah, a real pullback would be nice. There's so many, like it would be nice to get some solid bases again, like we had in early November until mid-December. There were so many good setups, and now things are just, you know, everything is just very extended. I don't even care if these things go higher. I'm just gonna sell it. Like SI, I'm just getting rid of a bunch of stuff. There's always gonna get new opportunities. There's always new opportunities around the corner, especially in this market. I just don't want to sit here holding a bunch of really extended stocks. So I got rid of, I pretty much got rid of a bunch of the margin I had, and now I can, you know, now I'm not gonna be the victim of the markets. I'm in control. That's what it's all about. All is being in control, like not getting thrown left and right, depending on what the market does.